Hi, it's Miss B, and I have a book to read for you called Bear Snores On. And a lot of you got this same book in your bag when school started. So if you got this same book, push pause and go run, and you can get your book and you can read along. That will be so much fun. Bear Snores On. It's written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Look at all those friends. I can see Bear, and Bear has a lot of friends, and in every book he has the same friends. Take a second and look and see if you can name any of those friends without even reading. Do you know what the names of these animals are? I bet you were able to name a lot of them. Let's see. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair. A lair is like a cave. Through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Do you see him in there? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse. Oh, that's one of his friends. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Did we see the mouse on the front cover? Oh, right there. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Let's see, where is the, oh, there's the hare right there. I wonder if you named him. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white popcorn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." Badger. Let's see if we can see the badger. Oh, right there. The badger, the hare, and the mouse. "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Oh, yeah, I showed you the picture. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear, say it with me, snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Oh, hold up. That was a lot of friends they just named. They said a gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. That is 4 new friends. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can see them. Oh, I see the raven. I see the mole. I see the gopher. And where is the wren? He's got to be on here if all the other animals are on here. Where are you, wren? He's not on the cover. Well, that's sad. The wren's not on here. He's another type of bird. Like that little bird. If you guys spot him, you tell me. You tell Miss B if you spot him, because I don't see him. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. All the friends are sitting together. Do you think Bear's awake? They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter. But, say it with me, Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What do you think it's going to make him do? That little piece of pepper, when it gets up your nose, it makes you. I'm trying to show you. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. When you get a little bit of pepper in your nose, it makes you sneeze. And the bear said, Achoo! It's a giant sneeze. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. He woke up grouchy. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. He missed out on all the fun and he's sad about it. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear's looking a little hopeful. He says, maybe that sounds good. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. There's him with all of his friends. But his friends snore on. That ends. I just love these books, and I want to read you some more books with Bear and his friends, and I can't wait. Bye.